Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Vivo Y29 5G smartphone, and in this video I'll show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So if you're planning to purchase this phone or you have already bought this, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. You can use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of a simple gesture. Let me show you how you can do this. Simply open the first application and then swipe up by using three fingers like this. Now open the second application you want to use and you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen like this. Even when your phone is locked, anyone can access your control center and change any of these settings. But if you want to disable this, then simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on lock screen and wallpaper. There you will see the option of lock screen settings. Click on this and then disable this open control center from lock screen. Now whenever your phone is locked, no one can access your control center and change any of those settings. This phone comes with this cool looking dynamic light, but if you want to customize this, then open your settings, scroll down and then click on shortcuts and accessibility. Again scroll down and then click on dynamic light. It is enabled only for incoming calls, but if you want to enable for some notifications, then click on notification and then enable this. By default, it has enabled all the apps, but if you want to select specific apps, then you can do that. For example, I want to use it only for Facebook notifications. Now, if any notification will come from Facebook, then it will show dynamic light like this. If you want to change the position of these three buttons, if you want to set the back button to the right, or if you want to set gesture navigation, then open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then click on system. Click on system navigation. Scroll down here, you can change the order of these three buttons. You can also change the icon as well. But if you want to select the gesture navigation, then simply select the gesture navigation. Now you can go back like this, open your recent application like this and jump to your home screen like this. If you want to monitor your real-time internet speed, then you don't have to download any third-party app. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on display and brightness. Again scroll down, there you will see the option of status bar. Click on this and then enable this show real-time network speed. Then it will start showing your internet speed in your status bar. By default, this phone doesn't show your battery percentage as well. But if you want to enable this, then in same status bar settings, click on battery style and percentage. Here you can select display outside battery, then it will start showing you battery percentage. You can also change the battery style to circle or horizontal. You can also enable double tap to lock and double tap to wake your screen up feature, so you don't have to keep on pressing your power button to wake your screen or lock your smartphone. To do that, simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on shortcut and accessibility. Click on smart motion and then select smart screen on or off. Firstly, enable double tap to wake and then enable double tap to turn off. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply double tap on the empty area to lock your smartphone, and if you double tap on the locked screen, then it will wake your screen up. Now you can easily read deleted messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. and you don't have to download any third-party app for that. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on notifications. Click on notification history and then enable this use notification history. Now if someone will message you, then it will save all those messages here and you will be able to read them even after they will delete it. You can also enable this shake to turn on your flashlight. To enable this feature, open your settings, scroll down and then click on shortcut and accessibility. Click on smart motion and then enable this shake to turn on the flashlight. Now whenever you are on home screen or lock screen, you can shake your phone like this, then it will turn on your flashlight. You can also change the transition effect of this switching from one page to another on home screen. To change that, simply tap and hold on home screen and then select home settings. There you will see the option of sliding effects. Click on this. Here you have different options. You can select your favorite one and after that come to your home screen and it will change to that specific transition effect. If you will long press the power button, then it will launch the voice assistant application instead of opening your power menu. If you want to set it as power menu, then open your settings, scroll down and then select shortcut and accessibility. There you will see the option of press and hold power button. Click on this. Again click on press and hold power button. By default it has selected Google Assistant. You have to select enable power menu. Now if you long press your power button, then it will launch your power menu. But if you want to keep this as voice assistant, now if you want to launch your power menu, then you can press the volume up button and power button at the same time, then it will launch your power menu. You can also clone any application or make dual or application without downloading any third-party app. Open your settings, click on apps and then click on app clone. Then it will show all the applications which are clonable in your smartphone. Simply select the app you want to clone. It will take few seconds. After that, it will make the clone of that application. As you can see, in my app drawer, I have 2 Facebooks now and I can log in with 2 different accounts in the same application. You can also fully customize your lock screen, write your name here, change the clock style and change these quick access to these applications. To customize this, open your settings, scroll down and then click on lock screen and wallpaper, click on lock screen settings and then select custom lock screen. Now if you want to change the clock style, then select on this clock. Here you can set different styles. You can even change the font of this clock. You can change the color. After this, click on this cross button. Now if you want to write your name or any code, then select this add quick information, select signature and then write whatever you want and then click on OK. Now if you want to change these application, then select on this one and then you can select from any of these options. You can change this right one as well. After this, click on apply and then it will change it to your selected style. If you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use the next feature to protect your eyes. Open your settings, click on display and brightness. The first feature is dark theme. If you will enable this, then it will turn all the whites into black in your smartphone. This will decrease the pressure on your eye. The second one is eye protection. If you will enable this, then it will warm the color of your screen. As you can see, this will also decrease the pressure on your eyes. So you can use these 2 features to protect your eyes if you use your phone at night a lot. If you like to multitask in your smartphone, then you can use the smart sidebar feature. To enable this feature, open your settings, select shortcut and accessibility, and there you will see the option of smart sidebar. Click on this and then enable smart sidebar. Then it will start showing a transparent bar on the right side of your screen, as you can see. To open this, simply swipe to the left to the smart sidebar. Then it will open your sidebar. To edit this, click on this little arrow, click on edit. You can remove unnecessary application from here and add your most usable or favorite application. After this, click on done. Now if you will open any application from the sidebar, it will open it in floating window just like your desktop and your laptop. You can resize it from the corners, drag and drop it anywhere, and also minimize it like this. You can keep on using your smartphone normally. It will remain on the right side of your screen like this. To open this, simply click on this, then it will open it in floating window again. So you can use this smart sidebar feature if you like to multitask in your smartphone. If you want to open any application in floating window, then open that application, put it in recent tab and then click on apps icon. There you will see the option of open it in small window. Select this one, then it will open it in floating window like this. You can also change the UI color in the smartphone. To change that, tap and hold on the home screen. Select color and style. Firstly, enable system and app UI colors. Here you have different options. You can select your favorite one, then it will change it to that specific color. If your home screen is looking like this and you want to rearrange all these apps, you don't have to select them one by one. You can simply pinch in on the home screen like this and you shake your phone like this. Then it will rearrange all those applications for you. When your phone is locked, you can simply long press the volume down button, then it will turn on your flashlight, and if you will long press it again, then it will turn it off. You can also set different action for this volume down button. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then select shortcut and accessibility. There you will see the option of quick action. Select this one. By default it has selected turn on or off flashlight. You can also set any of your favorite applications here, but I will suggest you to select record audio. Now you can secretly record audio by simply long pressing your volume down button. As you can see, it will start recording the audio, and you can also stop it again by long pressing your volume down button when your phone is locked. So with the help of this quick action, you can secretly record any audio with the help of this volume down button. You can also hide any application in this smartphone. To do that, open your settings and then select security. Scroll down, there you will see the option of privacy and app encryption. Click on this. Now you have to set your privacy password. You can set a 6-digit password or you can use a different password type. Here I'm selecting pattern. Draw your pattern and then confirm your pattern. Answer 2 security questions and then click on next. You can also add your email address if you want, otherwise click on add later. Now select app hiding. firstly enable view hidden apps. Then it will show all the applications which are installed in your smartphone. Select the app you want to hide, click on confirm. Now as you can see in my app drawer, you can't see files, but if you want to access your hidden application, then come to your home screen and then swipe up by using 2 fingers like this. Draw your privacy password and then it will show your hidden application. So that's how you can hide or access your hidden application in this smartphone. So these were some tips and hidden feature for Vivo Y29 5G smartphone. Let us know in the comment section which one you like the most. Please hit the like button. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.